your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is thriller, thriller night. And no one's gonna save you from beast without strike. You know it's thriller. See the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination, girl. But all the while, you hear the creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause this is thriller, thriller night. There ain't no second chance against being with one eyes, girl. Just calling the dead start to walk in their masquerade. There's no respect.